U.S. Navy new powerful $500 million laser warships are ready for war. The U.S. Navy has unveiled a secretive and powerful laser gun designed for close combat. This advanced weapon demonstrated its effectiveness against ships and drones in a recent video. With its devastating capabilities, it poses a significant challenge to enemy warships and fortified bunkers. While details remain classified, this weapon is expected to be a game changer. The U.S. Navy has invested heavily in countering Chinese hypersonic missiles, making this project a top priority. Stay tuned for updates on this classified weapon that could revolutionize warfare. The U.S. remains at the forefront of advanced weapon development amid rising tensions with China. Conflicts may arise from China's desire to absorb Taiwan, conflicting with U.S. commitments to safeguard Taiwan's autonomy. The situation is tense, and the outcome holds great importance as these superpowers navigate their differences. U.S. President Joe Biden signed a historic defense spending bill providing $10 billion in aid to Taiwan. The USS Gerald Ford, a $17 billion supercarrier, represents unmatched naval power and American dominance. As other nations strive to catch up, the U.S. remains firmly at the forefront of naval supremacy with this marvel of modern engineering. The USS Gerald Ford symbolizes a bold era of maritime superiority. The United States has achieved naval dominance with impressive aircraft carriers and symbols of military power. These floating fortresses instill fear and secure victory. As other nations race to develop their own carriers, an exciting new era in naval warfare emerges. Today, we explore the remarkable Gerald Ford class, marking a significant advancement in naval capabilities. The visionary Gerald Ford class showcases 10 magnificent carriers, with 2 under construction and the USS Gerald Ford already making history. With a displacement of 100,000 tons and 23 innovative technologies, this ship stands out among thousands of projects. Powered by advanced nuclear reactors, it operates for 25 years without refueling, reaching speeds of 30 knots. Accommodating up to 75 fighter jets, including the F-35 Sea Lightning II, it ensures dominance in the skies. The carrier eagerly awaits the arrival of 6th-generation fighters, pushing the boundaries of technology. The USS Gerald Ford is a remarkable floating fortress, equipped with cutting-edge launch and arresting gear systems. It serves as a precise and powerful launching pad for aircraft. France's upcoming carrier project, the Pang, aims to replace the renowned Charles de Gaulle, offering exciting possibilities for the French Navy. Fueled by 2 nuclear reactors, the Pang symbolizes French ingenuity and promises a formidable naval force. The Pang carrier is a colossal vessel, weighing 75,000 tons and capable of reaching speeds up to 27 knots. It has a virtually boundless range thanks to its nuclear propulsion system. State-of-the-art technologies, including electromagnetic catapults and arresters, revolutionize aircraft launch and landing. During its inaugural voyage, the Pang carrier will deploy the formidable ALM aircraft, followed by the highly anticipated 6th-generation fighter, a collaborative effort between France, Germany, and Spain. The carrier also houses unmanned drones, extending its reach and effectiveness. With up to 32 fighters and a fleet of helicopters, the Pang ensures aerial dominance. The Pang carrier relies on over 2,000 skilled sailors to maintain its dominance at sea. Their expertise drives its success, but the carrier's cutting-edge capabilities come at a cost of approximately $5 billion. In China, the Fuzhou emerged as a symbol of the country's naval advancements, boasting the world's 2nd-largest fleet of carriers. The Fuzhou showcases China's pursuit of maritime dominance, resembling American supercarriers while abandoning assisted takeoff ramps. The Fuzhou carrier pioneers China's evolving naval power, embodying design, technological prowess, and ambition. It challenges the status quo and aims to redefine the balance of power at sea. While details remain undisclosed, glimpses of its advanced capabilities include electromagnetic launch systems. Unlike the Ford class, the Fuzhou has a more modest count of 3 catapults and a conventional steam turbine-based propulsion system. Weighing 20% less than its American counterpart, the Fuzhou showcases a more modest size. The Fuzhou carrier, with its smaller stature, accommodates a reduced air wing, and the exact number of supported aircraft remains undisclosed. Its electromagnetic launch systems offer China a wide range of mission options, showcasing the nation's naval prowess. As China's first domestically built aircraft carrier, the Fuzhou symbolizes its ascent as a global power. Meanwhile, South Korea's CVX aircraft carrier is in progress, enhancing the country's naval capabilities. South Korea's CVX aircraft carrier is a significant achievement resulting from the Blue Water Navy Modernization Program. It adds to South Korea's advanced naval assets and represents their commitment to innovation and regional peace. Inspired by the renowned U.S. Navy ships, the CVX features an axial flight deck, distinguishing it from others. The CVX carrier will be equipped with 20 F-35Bs, enhancing South Korea's combat capabilities and aligning it with cutting-edge military technology. It will also support future marine attack helicopters of the Republic of Korea Marine Corps. With a 45,000-ton displacement, the CVX showcases South Korea's dedication to naval advancement. With a top speed of 27 knots, the CVX commands the seas, ensuring swift operations. The estimated cost of around $1.8 billion highlights South Korea's dedication and investments in this transformative project. The CVX aircraft carrier is set to emerge by 2030, enhancing South Korea's naval capabilities and solidifying its position among elite aircraft carrier operating nations in Asia. Commissioning is scheduled for 2033, generating anticipation for its entry into service. In the race for naval dominance, countries like South Korea, China, France, and the United States are driven by a shared desire to strengthen their naval power and extend their reach. As we enter the 2030s, the geopolitical landscape will be forever transformed as these aircraft carriers, including the CVX, become operational. The next decade promises an exciting whirlwind of developments. While China's claims of a formidable hypersonic missile may raise concerns, the United States Navy is prepared to face the challenge head-on. Enter the laser USS Gerald Ford, a technological marvel that has the potential to neutralize hypersonic missiles effortlessly. Its introduction will revolutionize the game and redefine the balance of power at sea. In cutting-edge laboratories, scientists are developing advanced laser defense systems that redefine impenetrable defense. Even against hypersonic missiles, these systems activate instantly, locking onto targets with unprecedented precision. A barrage of focus energy beams engulfs the missile, reducing it to dust. How is this possible? Lasers, with their incredible speed of light, leave no chance for evasion. They intercept and neutralize threats effortlessly. The laser USS Gerald Ford is just the beginning. What are your views on this? Let us know in the comments section, and please subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks so much for watching.